cool and frosty morning, and what we up to. Today is hopefully going to be finishing off running in the Escort, brand new engine a few weeks ago. So far I've done 808 miles, so we've got 1,000 miles to do, so about 200 today, and then we can boost. Alright, I'll show you around when I check the engine out later in the services, just checking it on its way. But it's been perfect so far, and yeah, off we go today. Another boost down the old M4, so we'll catch you in a bit. Right, so we're on our way to the M4 via the rear entrance. Personal junction. Fucking bumpy roads. So here we go. Authorised access only. Unauthorised. Oosh. The camera's going to be a bit wibbly wobbly today. Hopefully not too bad when we're on the motorway. There you go. Southern services. Going the wrong way. What dickhead? Get old M4. Still going. We have now done 895 miles. We're on the M5 and I'm just coming back to the M4. So hopefully by the time we get back, it'll be virtually 1,000 miles. Right, we're in the services. Everything looks cool, so we're going to be off again. Done the coffee. Even had a burger. Ooh. See the mileage. 917. Not more, just a bit more. Right, see you when we're back in Berkshire.